decided to read was called Formative and Summative Assessments in the Classroom by Katherine Garrison. Successful middle schools engage students in all aspects of their learning. There are many strategies for accomplishing this. One of these strategies is student-led conferences. As a student, teacher, or administrator, how do you ensure that the information shared is a student-led conference provides a balanced picture of the student's strengths and weaknesses? And the answer to this is both balance of the summative and formative classroom assessment practices and information gathering about the student's learning. Assessment is a huge topic that encompasses everything from statewide accountability tests to district benchmark or interim tests to everyday classroom tests. In order to grapple with what seems to be an overuse of testing, educators should frame their views of testing as assessment, and that assessment is information. The more information we have about students, the clearer the picture we become to an achievement or where gaps may occur. Summative assessments are given periodically to determine to a particular point in time what students know and do not know. It's like taking a state test or a district benchmark or end of the term unit like chapter test or end of the term semester exams. And then formative assessment is a part of instructional process. When incorporated into the classroom practice, it provides the information needed to adjust teaching and learning while they are happening. In this sense, formative assessment informs both teachers and students about students' understanding at a point when timely adjustments can be made. I think instead of just doing those kind of assessments though, you should go beyond, rather than walking around the room to see if students are okay or need clarification, you could try to gather more evidence of students' learning to inform instructional planning. You can be recorded and use feedback from the other students about their learning. Question strategy should be embedded in the lesson. Asking better questions allows an opportunity for deeper thinking and provides teachers with significant insight into the degree and depth of understanding is what I actually agree with, because you need to ask questions. It allows the opportunity for deeper thinking, and it helps the children get more engaged in liking what you're doing and trying to teach them. So it makes them come at you with different questions from different viewpoints. And instead of doing a bunch of tests or that, you could also do an exit slip where they jot down a couple information of what they learned from your class that day, and that would be their exit slip when they leave. And before you assess a kid, you need to better understand their student learning and get to know them better and see how they test at things. I agree with a lot of what this article talked about. You can't only assess a test and stuff. You have to go deeper in that, and you have to talk about different aspects of how they can learn better and how you know they're learning better and keep track, even if it is just a little exit slip that they have to sign, or if it is a unit test at the end. But you need to be able to test them on different things to make sure they're understanding the material and everything you're teaching.